Hi everyone, we're here at the HavaTech Showcase here at Topgolf King of Prussia, and I'm here with John Roberts from PTZOptics. Hey John, how are you?
I'm doing great, Sean. It's great to be here. I'm excited to be in the world of tech today.
Yeah, me too. Very excited to have you here. So can you tell me a little bit about what you have showing off for us as well, and kind of an overview of PTZOptics?
Yeah, of course. So we're showing off a little bit of a flex bundle. It's a mixture of 1080p fixed frame cameras and a 4K PTZOptics Move 4K camera. So this is going to offer everything you need for live event production. You can be on the go with this. It's easy to move and go, especially with our SuperJoy controller where you can control all three cameras with one controller.
Fantastic. And obviously I'm seeing a lot of NDI technology here. Are there other offerings from PTZOptics as well?
Absolutely. So we also have NDI, of course, but we also offer HDMI, SDI, and USB outputs for all of our cameras to make it easy to plug and play and to move and roll in your production.
Excellent. And one last thing, I do notice we have the Hive logo here. Can you tell us a little bit about that solution?
Yeah, so Hive is our brand new, brand agnostic control platform. So it's great for IP video. It has over 400 different cameras, and that goes beyond the PTZOptics cameras. So it's great for any production where you need remote control. Check it out at PTZOptics.com/Hive. And if you need more about PTZOptics, PTZOptics.com.
Awesome. Thanks, John. Appreciate it.